3 small bananas broken up into 1-inch pieces. 3/4 of a cup of cold coffee. A few dashes of salt. A tablespoon of vanilla extract. Make sure it is alcohol-free so you're not tasting alcohol. I know a tablespoon is a lot, but it's going to have a wonderful vanilla flavor that you're just gonna love. Add 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder. A little bit of a chocolatey flavor. 1 tablespoon of cashew nut butter. This will give it that wonderful sweetness. And I prefer raw cashew nut butter. Blend on low until creamy. And this is what it should look like. Just scoop that into a bowl. Finish off with a dash of cinnamon. All right, let's give it a taste. Definitely a strong coffee flavor, which is what you want from coffee ice cream. I really like the cinnamon on top. It's very creamy. Make sure that the coffee is really cold so it doesn't melt your ice cream. The richness from the cashew butter gives it that decadence. And the vanilla is sweet and it's not overwhelming. This is not very sweet ice cream. There's no sugar in it, but it does have a subtle sweetness from banana. So if you want this sweeter, start with about a teaspoon of maple syrup, and then if you want it sweeter, you can obviously add some more, but let me know if you're going to make it. I'll put exactly how I made this in the description. For my favorite low-fat, oil-free, plant-based vegan recipes, order my cookbook with vegan nutrition facts on how to prevent and reverse disease like I did, which chronicles my personal health and weight loss story through my website, thehighfivediet.com.